Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through Airtable free versus paid features step by step, so you can clearly understand which plan is right for you in 2026. Let's start with the free plan. Airtable's free version is perfect for beginners, small projects, and personal use. You can create multiple bases, use different field types, build views like grid, Kanban, and calendar, and even set up basic automations. It's great for content planning, simple CRM systems, and task tracking. However, the free plan has limits on record counts, automation runs, and advanced features. Now let's talk about the paid plans. When you upgrade, you unlock higher record limits, more automation runs, advanced integrations, and stronger collaboration controls. Paid plans also include features like timeline views, advanced reporting, expanded interface design options, and better permission management for teams. This is especially useful for startups, agencies, and growing businesses that need scalability. Another big difference is automation power. While the free version allows basic triggers and actions, paid plans let you build multi-step automations and integrate with external apps more deeply. This can save hours of manual work every week. So, which should you choose? If you're testing Airtable or managing a small project, the free plan is more than enough. But if you're running a team, handling large data sets, or automating business workflows, upgrading to a paid plan makes sense. If this guide helped you understand the difference, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Airtable tutorials in 2026.